Taori & Co. proudly present Taori Perfect4me Premium Hygiene Sanitary Napkins. Taori & Co. was born out of the need to create a premium luxury product that would help women feel confident and comfortable with their periods. The founders, that consists of a mother and her daughters, spent countless hours in research, trial, and error before finally coming up with the perfect solution. Taori Perfect4me Premium Hygiene Sanitary Napkins infused with nPhraphene technology. As its name suggests, this innovation is designed and perfect for every woman out there who needs to feel secure and protected during their most precious and vulnerable time of the month. With this clever design that allows it to form perfectly around your body, you can forget about worries like leakage or discomfort because these pads are specially made for you. I know you're probably thinking, what's so special about a sanitary pad? Well, we have made Taori Perfect4me with the woman in mind. We've used our feminine perspective to create something that is really perfect for us and only for us. Here are some of the features and benefits. Taori Perfect4me is an innovative sanitary pad with many benefits for its users, such as our nPhraphene 5-in-1 infused strip, intercepting different multi-layers of technology working together to help solve or reduce menstrual discomfort relevant to various purposes across women's bodies. Each infused layer helps relieve or reduce pain from abdominal discomfort, reduces or neutralizes body odor. It eliminates bacteria with its antibacterial activity, helping you maintain pH balance throughout the vagina by neutralizing acidic levels found naturally within bodily fluids, such as urine, and fighting fatigue are just two more benefits it provides for your body. Not only does this product boost metabolism, but also increases circulation around the vagina, so you can feel refreshed on any given day. Not to mention that these products help protect against vaginal infections by boosting immunity and reducing inflammation. Taori Perfect4me sanitary pads are designed with a top layer for ultimate comfort, with a super thin, silk-soft organic cotton top layer to wick away moisture from your body with faster absorption than regular sanitary pads. Our sanitary pads are also made with hypoallergenic materials, designed specifically so those who suffer from sensitive skin will still be able to use our product without fear of any potential allergies, as well as being environmentally friendly by reducing our carbon footprint on Earth. Do you ever have the feeling that no matter how careful you are on your period, it's just not enough? Taori Perfect4me sanitary pads offers extra 3-dimensional side guard protection. This innovative product helps to reduce leakage and offers a superior level of comfort made of a soft and flexible material that conforms around body parts, even when you move about often or change positions. It also has a unique ultra-thin design, which is perfect for those who have sensitive skin to prevent chafing. However, our new design is aiming to change that norm for those who suffer from heavy periods and leakage with their feminine care products. Our innovative 3-dimensional side guard creates a 360-degree barrier seal on the edges of your Taori Perfect4me sanitary pad, so you can be confident about not having to worry about anything leaking out unintentionally on your clothes. Due to its unique shape, it also helps protect against heavy abdominal bleeding leakage during menstruation. So next time, feel confident knowing your underwear is protected from leaks, even if your flow is heavy. Our 360-degree sterilized paper-like material helps guide fluids towards a super absorbent polymer gel core. The newest innovation in the Taori Perfect4me sanitary napkin is our super absorbent polymer gel core layer that locks fluids. This special polymer also gives off the feeling of freshness to keep things dry and pleasant during your use. This is where it soaks up all your moisture, making and keeping you comfortable for hours. The second 360-degree sterilized layer is an additional air-laid wrapping paper protection layer. The new Taori Perfect4me sanitary pad design promises to be a game changer for people who experience uncomfortable side effects from their menstrual cycle. The breathable, water-resistant bottom layer allows air circulation, eliminating heat and moisture in the vaginal cavity, which can cause yeast infections or other symptoms of discomfort during your period. A fit so perfect, it's almost like they were designed just for you. The perfect size for your body. The Taori Perfect4me sanitary pad adhesive layer is specially designed to provide a better fit than traditional pads. Taori Perfect4me pads only uses non-toxic adhesive and gives you the convenience of a seamless experience. The high-level release paper makes it easy for you to peel and stick with no hassle, so it's easier than ever before to get ready in no time at all. Taori Perfect4me sanitary napkins are individually wrapped with a tamper-proof seal for discreet portability to ensure maximum sanitation and hygiene for a fresh and clean experience. The individual packaging of these quality leak-proof pads helps you to be discreet when you're on your period, and the reusable locking feature prevents odor from escaping into your backpack or purse, which makes them perfect for any occasion. A woman's fight with her period can be a difficult time for many. From the cramps, heavy bleeding, to the bloating and even mood swings, it's hard not to feel like you've been hit by a bus. Luckily, there's a new genius invention out, and it's amazing, that helps getting through this part of every month much easier. Our new revolutionary sanitary pads, Taori Perfect4me, infused with nPhraphene, is here to make life easier for you and women everywhere. Our pads provide all the benefits of wider coverage, reliable protection to keep you feeling dry and clean, relieving or minimizing abdominal pain or menstrual discomfort, has an antibacterial activity that eliminates bacteria, helps maintain balance of the pH level of the body, helps fight against fatigue by increasing metabolism, helps boost the immune system, helps improve the microcirculation around the vagina and increases the acidic secretion in the vagina, helps improve your mood, your tone, the quality of your sleep, and improves the oxygenation of your tissues, has germ-free protection, has anti-inflammation properties, helps warm the uterus and nourishing yin. The best thing about Taori Perfect4me nPhraphene pads is that they're definitely better than your mom's old maxi pads because of how lightweight, flexible, comfortable, reliable, and eco-friendly they are. Taori Perfect4me infused nPhraphene sanitary pads are so innovative in its design. It's not just a pad anymore. It's an all-in-one solution that allows you to feel confident and protected when you're active on your period. One look at these pads and you'll be sold that they're perfect for us. Everything a woman wants, plus more. Get the Taori Perfect4me experience with one of our 5 different sizes and lengths, so that you can be sure you get the perfect pad. Panty liners on the go without wings, bladder liners with wings, moderate flow, heavy flow, and overnight extra long flow. Order your perfect pad today at www.taoriperfect4me.com.